Hi everyone, my name is Mohammad Faizan and today I will explain you about very important tricks in SQL in my YouTube channel Fit for Coding. So let's start. First of all, I will tell you about how to rename a database. Database का नाम हम कैसे change करें. Okay, so this is my database dummy and I want to rename it. Okay, let's rename here. Name, dummy name. I'm writing dummy name and hitting enter. So what is happening here? It is not responding as well as processing. I mean to say that with the help of writing a query, it is much easier to rename a database. Okay, check here, rename failed for database dummy. Okay, now I am writing a query for this to rename this database. Alter database, database name is dummy, and modify name equals to my new database name is fit for coding. Okay, I am executing this script. The database name fit for coding has been set. Wow, let's refresh it. Here you are looking fit for coding. Okay, this is my first trick. I have explained you first. Okay, now second, I will teach you how to create a new table from existing table. Okay, creating a new table from existing table. Okay, these are the lines for comments and these are the lines for uncomment. If I want to select this line, just placing a cursor here and click uncomment, it is uncommenting. It is for beginners. I am sharing my knowledge. Now it is for making comment and it is for uncommenting. Now fit for coding, here we have seen any table is here. Okay, the table is sheet 1 and employee. Let's check what is exactly in sheet 1. Selecting, executing, nothing else. Okay, first I am inserting one record in it by insert into sheet 1. After that I will create a new table schema from this sheet 1. And one more trick I want to explain you. If you want that all the names should be appear automatically with the comma separation, then expand this and select this column and drag in between the brackets. Now look, every column is appearing automatically with comma separation. Okay, so this is also one trick you have to know. And now I am putting here final status. It's showing error here, final status, because there is no space, so we need to put brackets here. Now it is ABC client, ABC module is INV, IP, let's suppose IP is the module, and description is my channel. Final status is active and employee name is Faizan. Here also I need put brackets here and then date, get date. Let's suppose here I'm using 2023 0101. Okay, now I'm inserting 1. It is affected. Now what I want to change here, it is sheet 1. Okay, now I am creating a table sheet 2 from sheet 1. Look, this is the new table name and this is the old table name, and I want only the schema. Schema means the structure of the columns and this data types. So I need to write a query 1 equals to 2. It means both the columns are not equal to each other and we have only fetching the schema. 0 was affected, but it is creating here sheet 2 table. Select star from sheet 2. Okay, sheet 1 and sheet 2 also. Here sheet 1 having some values with the same column and sheet 2 having no values with no details, because we have mentioned that condition should not be satisfied. It should only fetch the columns name with the database as well as its data types. Now I want to tell you some tricks. How can we check the data type of these columns? So let's select on sheet 2 and press Alt function key F1. Here we are using shortcut method and now we are displaying client name, module name, everything else with these data types, which is already present in sheet 1. Alt F1. It is Alt key plus function key plus F1. Okay, this is a trick to check schema of a table. Now I want to show you how can we change the size of any column here. For example, if I want to change the column module name of a table sheet 2, then I have to write alter table sheet 2, alter column module name. Here it is varchar type. Okay, I want and with the character 20. Now I want to change this name. Let's suppose char 10. Okay, now I'm executing this script. It is executed successfully. Now if I want to check Alt F1 again, then in this case it is showing module name char with the length of 10. So here you can change the data type of any column with this help of selected script. Hope you guys understand what I am trying to show you about some tricks. and for any video you want that I will create, so please comment in section box. Also I want to tell you about the update related. Mostly if we have a huge amount of data in a table, then before writing update you need to write this. I mean to say that maybe mistakenly while writing a update query your data is updated whole without any where condition. So you should write like this: update sheet 2 set module name equals to def and where client name equals to abc. Let's suppose if we have the data in sheet 1, then we can renaming it update sheet 1. Okay, so don't select this query from this side. Okay, this is not a good approach. You always select from right side, just like in screen you can see, because it makes it avoids you to do some errors. Look, so we have used where select statement, and if I select it, that is updated now, def. So hope you guys understand. Now I will explain you about the equal to and in operator in where clause, used in where clause. Okay, let's suppose we are inserting here another row def. Okay, and I've inserted here. There are 2 records in sheet 1. Okay, now I'm using the in and or equal to operator here. So select star from sheet 1 where client name equals to abc. It is giving you only the first row, but if you want that you should pass multiples values in where clause, then you can write here where client name in and open bracket, after that def I have mentioned. Now both the records are showing by using the in statement. Okay, so if you want that I will make a video, then please comment. I will try to create a video on your topics so that you can easily understand about the topics in which you are currently facing problems. Okay, so thank you so much, and please subscribe.